Jasmine green tea infused with ginger, lemon, and sweetened with raspberry is the perfect tea for days when you're feeling a little under the weather. 1 cup is less than 10 calories. If you're making a single cup of tea, remove the strainer from your teapot and set it over your teacup. Add fresh raspberries. Press and stir to release the raspberry juice and pulp, leaving the seeds in the strainer. Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon jasmine green tea leaves to your strainer. Shred ginger root and place the shreds in your strainer. Squeeze a wedge of lemon and pour in 1 teaspoon of juice. Fill your kettle with filtered water, boil, and let your boiled water stand for a few minutes to cool slightly. Pour hot, not boiling water over your strainer ingredients. Let stand 3 to 5 minutes to steep your tea. Remove the strainer. And here is your serving of under 300 calories, jasmine green tea with ginger, lemon, and raspberry. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.